If you're a content creator, you probably know the struggle of finding the perfect soundtrack for your videos. You don't want to get hit with copyright strikes, but you also want music that elevates your content. That's where Epidemic Sound comes in. In this video, we'll talk about how to use their vast library of copyright-free music to take your YouTube videos to the next level. Epidemic Sound is one of the best platforms for discovering music that you can use without worrying about copyright issues. They have thousands of tracks and sound effects for creators like you to use, and the best part, it's all licensed, so you can safely monetize your videos. From cinematic scores to upbeat electronic beats, you can filter through genres, moods, and even specific instruments to find exactly what you need for your project. First, let's talk about how to get started. Simply sign up for an Epidemic Sound account and you'll have access to their entire music library. Once you're logged in, you can browse by genre or use their search feature to find tracks that fit the vibe of your video. For example, let's say I'm working on a travel vlog. I'm looking for something with a lot of energy, something that screams adventure. By choosing the right track, you instantly set the tone of your video. Music is more than just background noise. It guides the viewer's emotions and creates a connection to the story you're telling. Watch how different music completely changes the mood of the same footage. The first clip is upbeat and fast-paced, creating a sense of excitement. The second is slow and relaxing, which gives the viewer a calm, peaceful vibe. Even though it's the same video, the music makes the experience feel entirely different. That's why pairing the right song with your video is so crucial. It's not just about the background sound, it's about setting the mood and creating a cinematic experience. And it's not just for travel vlogs. Whether you're making tutorials, gaming videos, or even reaction content, Epidemic Sound has a track for every type of video. It helps you elevate your content, making it feel more polished and professional. Now let's talk about one of the coolest things, Epidemic Sound subscription model. You pay a monthly fee and you get unlimited access to all of their tracks. That means you're free to download as many songs as you want, and you can use them as often as you need to without worrying about additional fees or licensing issues. Plus, their subscription covers all the licenses you need to use the music in your videos, so you won't ever have to deal with takedown notices or the fear of being demonetized. Anyone who has ever received a copyright claim knows how frustrating it can be. But with Epidemic Sound, you can say goodbye to all that stress. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, Epidemic Sound gives you the tools to enhance your storytelling with music that perfectly fits your visuals. Remember, music is what transforms an ordinary video into something unforgettable. Think about your favorite movie scenes. Most likely, the music is what makes them stick with you long after the credits roll. The same principle applies to YouTube videos. So, if you want to elevate your videos and stay on the safe side when it comes to copyright issues, Epidemic Sound is a must-have tool for any creator. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below for a free trial to explore the library yourself.